Did you know that air inside our homes and workplaces is often more polluted with health damaging chemicals than outside? Hi, I'm Jess Harvey, Osteopath and Director at Head to Toe Health. I'm really excited to be hanging out with you guys doing this video. The reason I'm doing the video this morning is that now that things have cooled down outside, we're all closing our windows and doors a whole lot more often, meaning there's less fresh air flow through our homes and toxic air can be trapped inside. What kind of chemicals are we even talking about? Common chemicals that off-gas into our indoor spaces include a group of VOCs. One of those is formaldehyde. There's also benzenes, trichloroethylene, xylene and toluene, amongst others. The EPA has found that concentrations of VOCs in indoor air to be 2 to 5 times greater than in outdoor air. On top of that, VOC concentration in the indoor environment during winter is 3 to 4 times higher than the VOC concentration during summer months. Furniture, cleaning products, building materials, carpet, electronic, toys, they can all go off-gas chemicals into our indoor air for many years. Why is this even important? These chemicals can not only contribute directly to symptoms such as respiratory system issues, anxiety, fatigue, dizziness, headache, but they can add another toxic burden to our already taxed systems. Studies show that certain tropical plants are effective in removing many pollutants from the air, replacing them with breathable oxygen. I talk about lifestyle factors every day with my patients. I love to educate on how we can enhance our internal and external environment for better health. That's why I thought it'd be really timely to talk to you all right now. If you stick around until the end, I'm going to show you a really useful resource to help you choose plants to detoxify your indoor air for better health. So there are actually 4 common plants to use as the big hitters for general toxin removal. These will detoxify most common chemicals in most homes. I choose these plants in our clinic and at home to detoxify our spaces. Using these plants, you can transform your toxic indoor air to clean air that can support your health. All of these plants are masters at cleaning up formaldehyde, benzenes, trichloroethylene, xylene and toluene. There are some plants that are also effective at detoxing other chemicals, so this may be consideration depending on where you live or work and what is in the room that the plant may live in. So here's my top 4 plants. Number 1 is the peace lily. This is a great all-rounder. It's a lovely plant and it's also very forgiving for the non-gardener. As well as the top 5 chemicals I mentioned earlier, it also removes carbon monoxide. Number 2 is the snake plant, or the mother-in-law's tongue. This filters the big 5 as mentioned previously. So number 3 is the ivy. All of the ivy are great air filters. This is a devil's ivy, and this one is an English ivy. So these are the ones that I use the most. The English ivy boasts the feature of filtering out other VOCs. And the 4th plant, the spider plant. Again, on top of the big 5, it also removes carbon monoxide, which is emitted by clothes dryers, heaters and fireplaces. Very soon, I'm going to show you where you can get some details and tips on how to care for these plants. So there's my number 4 plants. 1, the peace lily, 2, the snake plant, 3, the ivy, and 4, the spider plant. So this has been Jess from Head to Toe Health. Thanks for joining me. I mentioned at the beginning that I'd give you some more help on how to clean your indoor air. I've completed a report. It's called Detoxifying Your Indoor Air with Plants. It's actually a list of the top 10 plants that you can easily find to support your air. It also includes a table of the most common indoor toxins and the symptoms that these can contribute to. So if you'd like to get hold of that report, send us a quick message and we'll get it out to you. Again, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Take care.